Hi guys! In today's video I'm showing you how to send money from Western Union to bank. The process is straightforward and effortless. So currently I am using US Western Union account, so maybe the interface of Western Union will be a little bit different. No need to worry about it. And in Western Union, tap on the option Send Money. After tapping on that, here you can see the option Receiver Country. You have to select your receiver country here. Just for example, I want to send money to Pakistan, so I am writing Pakistan. The next thing is write the amount. I am writing 100 USD. After writing the amount, is receiving amount. Scroll down, and here is the option. How does your receiver want the money? From here you have to select this option bank account. Be careful, you don't need to select any other options. You have to select bank account. Now scroll down, and here's the option. How would you like to pay? So for me, I will select a debit card because it's popular and also it's free of cost. Scroll down, and on the last tap on the option Continue. After tapping on the option Continue, here you have to write the information about your receiver, like his first name, last name, his email address and his street address, and also to be more secure, write his mobile phone number and tap on the option Continue. So it was basic way by which you can send money from Western Union to bank account.